Okay, so Halloween's coming up, and I'm going to try and make myself look like Marley from the show Mr. Scrooge. Now I have my handy dandy gray spooky wig on, but let's talk about the makeup. Well, first of all, you want to look spooky, and Marley has been dead. So he's not going to have a lot of rosy skin tones, no blush in his cheek. So kind of gray and maybe even a little greenish. So I like this color. It's sort of a gray green. So just put some on, and it's just throw it on, and you can adjust it and kind of practice with it. And if it's too green or too white, you can try again. Now Marley, like I said, he's been dead. Doesn't have any blood running through his veins. He's almost kind of becoming a skeleton. So we want to look like his flesh is kind of starting to sag, and he's got bags or dark circles under his eyes. That's what makes it look spooky. And that's kind of a classic spooky look for any sort of ghost, goblin, zombie that you want to be, or just a plain old scary person. So let's do some of that. Okay, I think I'll try this kind of gray white. Now if you're going out to a Halloween party or out on the street, you want to exaggerate the makeup so that it really shows up. And when you're on stage, you really have to go all out so that people can see the effect from the audience. This is a special white makeup they make specifically for the stage, and we're going to add a little bit of water to it, and it goes on very nicely, and then you can just paint over it. And I have this little sponge, makeup sponge that you can get anywhere. Just sort of paint it on. Already looking spooky. Okay, now I like to do black liner, whether it's liquid, stick, doesn't matter. And I'm going to draw right here around my nose. And that just helps bring the kind of the skeleton look to it. Add a few little wrinkles and creases. I think it's always for the stage, it's always good to outline your eyes somehow, even if you're dead, because, or even if you're playing a boy, because it doesn't look like liner from the audience. It just outlines your eyes where a lot of your expression comes from. Another important part to bring across your character and what he's feeling or thinking and what kind of character he is are the eyebrows. So you can use, once again, a pencil or a pen or whatever, any kind of color. But in my case, I'm going to use black to make my eyebrows just look kind of ugly and mean and thicker, like an old, crusty man that's been dead. I think I'll blend this in a little bit. I think I need to look scarier. What do you think? Let me add some more black, silver. I always like things with sparkle. So I'm going to use some silverish. So if you opened the door and saw me standing there, it might be scary. I think I'll do some of it with my lips. Make them look more dead. Scary. Kind of black, silvery lip gloss. Okay. Come on, Marley. Here we go. Put my hat on. Ebenezer. Need it on stage. Time to rattle those chains.